Majority, we're at the Wax Museum. Half of the people, I'm not gonna know who they are, but we did a pass, and it's part of the pass, so I'm gonna be walking at it. I have to read to see who these people are. I'm not gonna lie. You said Iron Man, right?
But the person.
No. Bruh.
Or Ninja Turtle.
I know. What else is after? Okay. I know y'all. I was like Armadillo. I'm done. Bruh. Leonardo. And what's the other one? It's crazy that Barbie got a place, but Barbie itself, I feel like it makes sense, but the movie, I don't know. I don't know what this is. If she started moving, I'll be tight though. Tell you that much. Nothing else to compare it to, so that's another thing. That's your friend Michelle Obama and the others. I'm done. Can he sit with them? With El Presidente? I'm done. Who is that? Girl. I feel so bad I'm going through this whole thing and I only recognize, I think, 1 or 2 people. Oh, I know him. Forrest Gump. It gotta be Forrest Gump. Is it? It kind of looked like the guy from Forrest Gump. What does he say again? Run, Forrest, run. The box of chocolates, it's definitely him. Life is not like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. I know that one person. I know 2 people so far. Out of the whole museum. 3. Oh, Mr. T. 3. Technically, if you count Michelle Obama as different people, that's 4. Ooh. I know you. I know him. The guy with the bald head in the movie. Oh, I'm mad she's up there. Is this a show with the... No, that's not what I think it is. They should have made us start using it. Oh.
What goes ha 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 thud? A mummy laughing his head off.
I'm done.
Ha ha ha.
Is y'all laughing in the background? That's crazy. My mommy laughing his head off. Ooh, Hunger Games. Lopez. Jennifer Lopez? Jennifer Lopez? Oh. Look at them. Yeah, I like that show. You ever never seen the show? Ever seen a movie before? I don't remember what it looked like. Look at Mickey, look at my boo. What is that? Oh, E.T. I loved the show as a kid. Well, he's not from this world, so don't be judging him. You judging. You're a judger. What the hell? There gotta be some kids touching hands. The Sim. She moved her head? No. I don't think so.
Therefore, Scarecrow, by virtue of the authority vested in you,
Mom, look! It's Allison. Nope. It's
Wizard of Oz.
like, let's go to the
The Simpsons.
Stars Never Falls Canyon.
I don't think it was me.
Reportedly, the first thing Kim did after he got into the studio was ask if he could take the camera home. He took it home and he took it apart and he put it back together again so that he would understand how it worked.
Okay,
I know the name, but I don't really know her like that. I know her music though. But you're still black? Aw, Michael.
You're awesome from the mother.
Michael.
Pumpkinhead.
I remember that for some reason. This is that vampire chocolate.
Oh my god.
Oh my good.
Is this Einstein?
I was think probably. Isn't that Einstein? What's that thing? Not Einstein. It's that one with the I forgot his name. Oh, I remember his movies. Ooh, it's creepy. Freddy. Is he gonna have Jigsaw? It says exit. Are we done? What is in here? I thought it was done for some reason. Ooh. Oh, let's see. What's that? Is it not Einstein? I can't see nothing.
That's Pennywise.
I can't see nothing, so hold on. Oh my gosh. Do we need anything else sweet in our house? I mean, in our stomachs? Maybe not. We had ice cream already. Do we need more things? Oh, I don't like rock candy. We know. Buy something will make sense. It don't make sense. A lot of this wax looks so hazy. Hold on. A lot. Have y'all ever been to the wax museum before? Oh, that looks so much better. What was going on before? Before it was hazy. Y'all saw that. It looked like a cataract was over the film. That's how bad it looked. But I took my pictures today. I don't know. But y'all haven't been to look at your friend. Have y'all been to a wax museum before? Did you like it? And which state or country did you go to when you saw it? A lot of places have different things, you know? Obviously. The food in my way. I actually drinking it. Remind me of the illusion place. If I can have far or close you put something, it looks different. I'm done. I'm drinking this like I'm not lactose intolerant. She wouldn't taste it, that's the problem. I'm done. My arm is itchy. Like, itch it, girl, itch it. Girl, like, you know it's itchy now? That's in my pit, that's my arm. Katani, right here is my pit. Right here is not my pit. That's not my pit. Oh my gosh. You can't take us nowhere, like literally. Ooh. You can say, you know what it is? We ate too late in the day. Bro, your breath in is the wings. So we had leftovers from the last restaurant we ate from. So now I want to buy food just in case so we can have it. Yeah. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. Ew. Let me see. We'll get that closer to us.
You can't see the packaging yet.
Can they not? One of them we're not going to eat because I'm not like... We're not going to be eating one of them right now. I feel like... I'm trying to fix y'all. Hey, kids. What's up? What's up? But yeah.
There's someone who's gonna whisper it to me.
It don't matter.
So,
My favorite one, I think, is going to be... I don't know what to... All right, take it out. Take it out. Take it out.
today,
Today.
we went to the fudge factory because it doesn't only sell fudge, it sells premium freeze-dried sweets.
I knew it was going to be this one. My favorite one.
We're gonna be trying
Hopefully they can hear you over this music.
we're
But you
gonna be
speak alone.
trying the green apple O's. Yes. I'm ready to open this. 3, 2, 1, sit in.
down below what state I should visit and what part of the state I should go because the state is big. Well, unless you live in like Alabama, it's it's not the biggest, but is it? Honestly I don't know exactly how big places are. I just go there, but should I really go to Alabama? Like really look at me, Alabama?
Why are you looking at it like that?
Because I can. It's our peeps, it's our fans. Girl. So why didn't you just ask? I got so much stuff, bro. I wonder if I don't have to wear my coat outside. Outside's not that cold. Oh my gosh. Let me try. I wish I would have opened it without making you open it, because now look at this. She opened like a snaggle-tooth tiger. Look at this. Now we can't get inside because of somebody. Name KK. Hint. I need, that's why you need a man around. Get a man. Get a man. What have been this? I'm not as strong as people think I am. People think I'm so strong because I'm big. That's not the only thing. I'm only strong as me big. Bigger. Oh, I hate that. Lord. Let me not get no oven. What? What is that? I said ovid. I'm not supposed to say the word, sis. Oh. I don't know why it reminds me of Apple Jacks. But I love these. Like these in general. A lot of sugar. I like the regular ones, but for freeze dried, for these. I gotta love the gummy texture of it.
I bet they're looking at my face right now like, what is that? It's pretty sour.
No, not really. What about your dinner at? That's a good question.
I've been eating fruits all day.
Tomorrow, no fruit. Well, the ice cream.
Breakfast has sweets.
Ice cream, yeah. No sweets and some ice cream tomorrow. You gotta drink a lot of water today. Next.
We have. I need to announce it. We have freeze-dried sweets. Blue sharks.
Blue shark. Baby shark.
I need to finish my drink though.
I feel like you're only hearing me and probably even hear her talking. Because she's speaking so low. Did I not do any better than her? Yeah, I did better. I think I did. I did better. I am the parent. Oh my gosh. Look at the deformed shark. Can I do this? Like if I bought these things at my house myself, could I do the same thing? You just put it, but you know what? Our freezer I think doesn't go as freezy as these. Like I think it's like a deep freezer. Like, you know? I have a regular at-home freezer. I'm not sure.
Let me digest the other one because
Digest? You fall bubble? I don't think we're gonna try any more for that beer. There's a lot of sugar.
so hard. I'm trying to pick up my teeth right now.
Yeah, but she's real good tonight. I mean, that's like spice, like really just that's too much, okay? Everything I do is cringe. She cringe. You cringe, Ray. Alright, you ready? This thing is hard now. Oh, no. Like this one better.
It tastes like cotton candy.
A good cotton candy.
Yeah, better.
I like this one.
They're like the blue sharks.
Baby shark.
Baby shark.
I'm not copying you. You copying me.
I like chicken.
Okay, there you go. I'm done. Anyway, I'll see y'all.
Wait,
Right.
and we will film when we eat the bear, see if it's good or not. Bye.
What about this bear? You got 2 things in there? Damn.
We got the fudge.
Oh, I forgot about the fudge. Oh my god.
We got the fudge.
This is too much candy. We need more water. Like, remind us to tell you about this. I wish it was sour. I don't think it's just regular gummy. But that thing is huge. What
The
else?
top blue is softer than the white.
Bro. That was cute.
Oh, that blue is caramel?
Yeah, everybody poops. It's a book about it. Like,
What?
it's a book about everybody poops. You never heard it? Girl.
We're gonna eat this right now.
They give you I don't say fork, a knife for this. That's y'all piece. Damn, bro. It's one of the most famous things that store is known for. That's solid like a rock. Like, it's solid. Solid like a rock. I need to eat healthy. After Thanksgiving, though, I'm not in New York to be doing Thanksgiving, so. Damn, this thing is hard. Y'all don't see that. Hold on. Oh.
It's hard to like cut it. It took like
Had the audacity to give me a
1 minute.
It'll take 1 minute to tell me. That's exaggerating. You're so dramatic.
30 seconds.
Try to do this one faster. I should went more to the side. That's why. I'm gonna taste good. Oh, my money.
Better.
It better.
We got this whole brick
Right.
eating it. It
Ready?
tastes good.
Set.
Yeah.
Go. I don't know, it tastes like pralines a little bit, like chocolate pralines,
I know.
fudge pralines. That's what it tastes like. That's interesting. It's very sweet and syrupy.
Very similar.
Not anymore. That's on the mirror. It's enough sugar for me to do it. I need water. I got water. I don't have the water with me. I'm not with my bag, I think. I can't walk into it. It's too much work. Is it the cold outside? I don't go with my coat. My coat is killing me. Making me itch on my arm. That's why my arm is itching now. Anyway, guys. Talk to us next time. Come check us out. Because I'm cringing with this. I was gonna say something, but I'm gonna keep it to myself. I was gonna say your mother, but I was gonna say father. Really, that's what I'm gonna say. A lot. But don't come for me. Now, the person who's always pushing her out, she coming for her. I hope you can hear her throughout the whole thing, because she having a lot of commentaries, and you can't hear her unless you're this close. It is what it is.
She's crazy.
Bye. I'm not gonna try.
Why did it turn on? The video just turned on.
I know, that's weird. The devil is a lie. Now it's trying to. This video is trying to take us when we're not even watching. I don't edit the stuff. I edit the stuff. The devil is a liar. My list is still keeping up. It's been. I got it last week Friday. Last week Saturday. And today is Wednesday. Thanksgiving Eve. Hell yeah. I feel like. You know that song? No. You know that thing was like a hot thing on TikTok a couple years ago? You was doing it. It was like a ding. You know what I'm talking about? You could be like, wow, not in public. But we was in the house. See? Well, I try to be normal. She trying to act like I'm abnormal. But she acting a fool. I'm like, girl, get it together. We not on the same timeline. You on my show, bro. Look at my head. Look at my head. Do you think I should try to do a vlog with some look at my channel? I think it'll be a lot of content to edit and do and put on. And I think I'll have to do most of it on my camera, because if I don't, it's gonna be a problem. I'm mad the camera came on by itself though. That's kind of weird. I don't like that.
It really
The
like
devil is yeah. Victory in mine, yeah. You didn't bother. Yeah. That's back in the day market. Again. So I did a couple years ago. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna revamp it. I'm also doing it for myself. And myself. I have those cards I was doing this year and last year. Well, I think I did it last year. I just didn't follow through on it. I'm gonna start dusting off those cards and doing stuff for myself and just living my best life.
so pretty.
Yo, she a hater, bro.